Samsung has just made a lot of people happy with their latest move, whether you're a die-hard Samsung fan or not. The Galaxy S24 series is making waves with its Galaxy Eye feature, bringing a whole host of cool functionalities like live call translation, wallpaper generation, and improved email writing. And the best part, these flagship features are now officially making their way to older Samsung devices. The official announcement on Samsung's website confirms that Galaxy Eye features will be included in the upcoming OnUI 6.1 update for the Galaxy S23 series, S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy Z Fold, and Flip 5 and Tab S9 series. The update is set to roll out by the end of March, so we're just about a month away from this exciting upgrade for older devices. You won't need to splurge on the latest Galaxy S24 series to enjoy Galaxy Eye anymore. It's coming to your older flagship devices too. This news took me by surprise, considering the S24 series was only launched a month ago. Kudos to Samsung for looking out for their loyal users of older flagship models. Get ready for your phone to feel brand new with this massive update. It's definitely worth the wait. And for those already rocking the Galaxy S24 series, get ready for a significant update that will address various issues and enhance camera capabilities. Samsung is expanding the availability of the first software update for the Galaxy S24 series this week, following its recent debut in South Korea. The update is now rolling out in various European countries and will soon reach even more markets. This update is particularly significant as it addresses some of the concerns raised by customers regarding the initial user experience. One major complaint was the lack of vibrancy in the on-screen content on the Galaxy S24 series. However, Samsung has resolved this issue with the update by introducing a new vividness option in the display settings. Users can now adjust the display's vibrancy according to their preference. Additionally, Samsung has made several improvements to the camera experience, enhancing image quality in challenging lighting conditions and improving exposure when shooting indoors. So, are you all excited about the latest OnUI updates for your current or older Galaxy devices? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.